I'm going to show you guys how to add a sidebar link over here on the side of Canvas. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your classroom. You want to come into your classroom here, so you can see the sidebar. That's full of links. These little eyes with the slash through them mean that your students can't see those, but the ones that don't have them mean that your students can see those. The first thing we want to do though is come down here to Settings. We're going to click on Settings. Now yours will probably open up on the Course Details tab. These 5 tabs right here across the top are basically your editing for your Canvas course. These are all the details about your Canvas course that you want students to be able to see. You can change lots of details. You can move things around on this tab, but the tab we're going to work in today is called this Apps tab. So click on this Apps tab. That's right here. And make sure this All button is highlighted blue. If not, click it. Then we're going to come over here to this filter box here, and we're going to type in the word redirect. Okay, when you type in the word redirect right here in the search bar, you're going to get this little blue arrow that comes up. Now this little tool, this redirect tool, is going to be how we create a sidebar link in Canvas. So the first thing we want to do when we get this little tool up, we're going to click it, and we want to click Add App. Now that brings up a second window here. Okay, this window right here is going to be how we set up the bar right here, like where it's going to go, the name of it, where it's going to direct us, and all of this. So the first thing we want to do is we want to name this. So I'm going to make me a Khan Academy link. So it's going to appear on my bar over here as Khan Academy. Now this next part down here, this URL redirect link, is very, very important that we get this correct. We want to send the student to the exact spot they need to log in. This makes it easier for them. They don't have to search around for where they're going to log in and stuff. So we're going to get that exact URL. So let's open up a new tab in our browser. And let's type in khanacademy.org. Okay. Now I want to figure out where it is that my students can log in. So down here it says something about learners. Looks like it's trying to create a new account, so I'm not interested in that. But up here it says login, so I'm going to click login. All right, I have gotten this page up, so now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to copy this exact URL. Now it happens to be the same as their home screen, so it may not take them exactly to that location. Okay, so I've copied this. Let me copy it again just to make sure. I'm going to come back over to my tab, and now I'm going to come in here to this URL redirect link, and I'm going to paste that exact link in. Okay, now, so I have my title that's going to show up over here. I have my URL link here. Now the next piece is this force open in new tab. I like to leave this on because some websites actually require that we have to have this on because they won't actually play in Canvas. If you uncheck this like that, then when I click Khan Academy over here, in the middle of my screen right here, it's going to try to open this website inside of Canvas, so they'll still be able to see their sidebar and all that stuff. But unfortunately, it does not work for every website, so it's better off if you just have them open an external link. Okay, so then the second piece that we want to check down here is show in course navigation. If we fail to check this, it's not going to show up right here on this sidebar link, and that's kind of the purpose of this tutorial. So after we have our name, the correct URL, and these top 2 checked, then we're going to come down here and select Add App. Now, if I come back, I'm going to hit home, so it'll take me back to my home screen, and it also kind of refreshes my browser. Now you can see Khan Academy is down here at the bottom, right? So if I click back in the settings, and this time I'm not going to go to apps, I'm going to go to navigation. Now here's Khan Academy, is showing that it's up here in the top. You don't have to move it, but I'd like to move it and keep it with my other math items there, and keep my reading items together. But you don't have to move it. All you have to do is just basically open this navigation, come down here and click save, and it will bring that link back up here. So let me show you in student view really quick what this looks like. Okay, so this is what my students will see in their sidebar. Now they see home, announcements, modules, and there's the Khan Academy. So now if I click that link, it opens. This is the part where that first checkbox is, and then they click open a new tab, and boom, here we are. And for this one, they're going to have to actually click that login up at the top, because it's another window that opens inside of their web page. But this link now is a permanent sidebar link. So no matter what they're doing in their module, they can always access it right here at all times. So it's okay to still link the Khan Academy within certain modules and assignments, but it's nice to have this over here as kind of like a solid foundation. They know it's always there. They can click on it at any time. Now, I'll leave you on one piece of information. If you want to add a second, let's say you wanted to add another link here, okay? So you're going to go back in the settings, you're going to go back to apps, and you're going to just basically redo the process. So you're going to say redirect again. Now it's going to say add app. Well, you've already done that for Khan Academy, right? Yes, you're going to do it one more time for the next thing. So every time you want to add a new link, you're basically clicking add app again, and then you're going to rename a new one, and Khan Academy is not going to go anywhere. It's going to stay up there. Okay, so if you want to, and just in case you make a mistake and you want to delete one of these in the sidebar, you open up settings here, you go to apps, and then you come over here to this view app configurations if you want to delete one, and then you can scroll down to the one that you have right here, Khan Academy, and if I want to delete it, I could delete it out, and then it's completely gone from my canvas. Okay, so hopefully this has helped you guys out, this tutorial, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.